Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 2020 Tech for You. And today's going to be something a little bit different. It's just me painting the area that I filmed the videos that we bring you guys. But next week there is a video coming out of me installing the Asus RIO 240 AIO. It also has an OLED screen, so I'll be showing you guys how to actually make your own little GIFs, whatever you like to call them, on your OLED screen if you have this one or if you're planning to buy it. So don't forget, down below, hit the bell for notifications and give this video a like, guys. I'll see you guys next week and enjoy the short video. Late.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me.
Again, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the way the area came out. If you did, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification not to miss the video of that AIO I'll be installing next week. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Late.